Hello creative people. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reproduce the color Burnt Sienna. I'm going to teach you this color as a curiosity, because it's often used in watercolor, so if you can buy it, it'll be easier. So let's try to reproduce this color. My name is Norma Corrado. Stay with me until the end to find out if we can do it or not. If you're new to the channel, subscribe and activate the bell, because there's always content to inspire your creativity. And buy my book Watercolor Flowers without the use of sketches on Amazon. It's still free for Kindle Unlimited and Prime subscribers. Enjoy, the link is in the video description. To complete this challenge, we're going to use watercolor, brush, color wheel, and a small white porcelain plate. Let's start by analyzing the color Burnt Sienna. Is an orange-brown color. Let's use the color wheel to see what color we start with. We know that complementary colors, that is, colors that are opposite each other on the color wheel, when mixed together create neutral brown tones. We saw that the desired color is pulled towards the orange tone. So let's mix the opposite colors on the circle. The color opposite orange on the color wheel is a lighter blue, so I'm going to use ultramarine blue. For those who don't know how to use the color wheel, I'll leave the link to my video color theory here in the description. I really liked it. Very easy. So this is how I create the colors I need. I analyze the color, use the color wheel, and go through trial and error until I reach the desired color or very close to it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how to create the color Burnt Sienna in watercolor. If you have any questions or suggestions, don't hesitate to comment too. And of course, subscribe to the channel, leave a like and activate the bell so you don't miss any of the next videos. Thank you for watching the video. See you next time.